Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Smart Locks 2026. Looking to upgrade your home security with the latest technology? You're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the best smart locks of 2026, designed to bring convenience, safety, and complete control right to your fingertips.
Top 1.
Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock.
The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock is a modern solution for homeowners who want better control over entry access. It allows users to manage door security through a connected system, making daily routines more convenient and organized. This type of lock is suitable for people who prefer keyless entry and want to reduce the hassle of carrying traditional keys. It is often chosen for its ability to support remote management, which helps users monitor and control access from different locations. This makes it useful for busy households, rental properties, or anyone.
Top 2.
Eufy Security Smart Lock FamiLock S3 Max. The Eufy Security Smart Lock FamiLock S3 Max is a modern solution designed for users who want advanced control over home access. It brings a new approach to entry management by combining smart technology with a secure locking system. This type of device is suitable for homeowners who prefer a connected lifestyle and want to manage door activity with ease. This system is widely recognized for its innovative unlocking method, allowing access through advanced biometric recognition, instead of relying only on traditional methods it uses.
Top 3.
Aqara UWB Smart Lock U400 Matter over Thread. The Aqara UWB Smart Lock U400 Matter over Thread is a modern option for people who want smarter control over home entry. It is designed to support a connected lifestyle where access can be managed easily without depending on traditional keys. This type of lock fits well in homes that focus on convenience, security, and simple automation. This system uses advanced wireless communication to improve how users interact with their door. It allows seamless connection with other smart devices, helping create a more unified environment. Many homeowners prefer this approach because it keeps everything working together smoothly without complicated setup. The technology helps provide.
Top 4.
Yale Assure Lock 2 with Wi-Fi Black Suede Smart. The Yale Assure Lock 2 with Wi-Fi Black Suede Smart is a modern entry control solution designed for people who want to improve home access management. It supports a key-free experience that fits well with today's connected lifestyle. This type of system is commonly used in homes where convenience and security are both important for daily routines. It works through wireless connectivity, allowing users to manage door access with ease. This helps reduce the need for physical keys while improving control over entry points. Many homeowners choose this system because it offers smooth,
Top 5.
Mic Secure View 3 in 1 Smart Lock. The Mic Secure View 3 in 1 Smart Lock is a modern entry system designed for people who want better control and awareness of home access. It combines smart locking with connected monitoring, allowing users to manage entry points in a more organized way. This type of device is often chosen for homes that focus on digital safety and simplified control. It works through a connected mobile system, helping users stay informed about door activity from anywhere. The built-in communication between lock and app creates a smoother way to manage visitors and entry permissions. Many homeowners prefer this approach because it reduces dependence on traditional keys.
The link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.